A court hearing for the jailed Hong Kong media mogul Jimmy Lai has been postponed due to bad weather, further lengthening a national security trial that began back in 2023. The city's weather observatory hoisting the highest level rainstorm warning, leading the judiciary to cancel hearings for the day. The 77-year-old founder of the Apple Daily newspaper is charged with foreign collusion under Hong Kong's national security law, which Beijing imposed following huge and sometimes violent pro-democracy protests in 2019. Today, lawyers had been expected to present closing arguments as the trial enters its final stages. Well, earlier we spoke to our correspondent Camille Nedelec in Hong Kong.
Jimmy Lai's family is very clear that for Jimmy Lai, the stakes are life and death. Jimmy Lai is in his late 70s. He has diabetes. They say he's being kept in solitary confinement for more than 23 hours a day, being let out only briefly for some exercise. He's being deprived, according to them, of natural light. And his son, Sebastian Lai, had said every time his father appears in court, he notes how his body is being broken by the Hong Kong authorities, even if his spirit is not. And so there is a real worry on behalf of his family that Jimmy Lai is going to die in prison. And indeed, if he does end up facing life imprisonment, then yes, he won't ever come out. And he had said in the past to media that he owes Hong Kong a debt. Hong Kong is the city that made him. And he knew what the stakes were. And he still refused, when the chance to leave was still available to him, to leave. And there are activists who are warning, well, if the Hong Kong government doesn't release him and he dies in prison, then he'll become a martyr. So surely it benefits no one to leave him languishing in prison, a trial that's significantly longer than it was supposed to be. And then the stakes for Hong Kong as a whole. The democracy movement is already all but dead. And these are, so to speak, the loose ends that are being tied up.